Actually, we are going to not let those pesky insects ruin your beautiful blooms. Let's hear from Juergens of Bentley Ridge Tree Farm and Nursery on how to keep those bugs at bay. Jimmy.
Thank you, Megan. We're going to be looking at systemic insecticide here today, annual tree and shrub. This is one of our favorite products to utilize out at the farm. Its active ingredient is imidacloprid in there. That doesn't mean a whole lot, but it is a very good ingredient to be using when it comes to preventing insects. This can be applied as a root drench on your plant material. It soaks up into the plant and it'll kill insects from the inside out. The reason this product has been so popular as of late is Japanese beetles. This is a phenomenal product to use to kind of get started. You pour on the base of the plant material, and then when Japanese beetles come around during the June-July window, you're going to have good coverage on that. Back to you.
You can learn more about planting your garden at BentleyRidgeTreeFarm.com or call 515-444-9101. Bentley Ridge is located in Grimes, and you can also check them out on social media.